In this video, I will show you how to connect Regions Bank to Cashapp. So let's jump straight into it. So once you've gone ahead and opened up Cashapp, from the home screen, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to want to click onto the banking icon down here. So on the next screen, what you're going to want to do is press onto the add bank option. And from here, what you can do is automatically add your bank by entering your bank debit card number. So if you do have a debit card for your Regions Bank and you've got that to hand, you can enter this to automatically link your account. However, if you don't have your card to hand, or if it's a new account and you've not yet received your card, just come down to the bottom and press onto no card. So what's going to happen, it's going to now list a few different banks. If you can't see the Regions Bank in here, just go ahead and type that into the search box, but you can see we got Regions down here. So what you would do is press onto Regions. And once that's done, you would just go ahead and enter your banking information and press done to go ahead and link your Regions Bank to your Cashapp. So that's how to go ahead and connect your Regions Bank to Cashapp. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.